How to change your blog or website address URL on Blogger. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Blogger. This is the homepage dashboard as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go here, click on settings. Now scroll down until you find blog address and click on it. Now you can change the blog address from here and click save, and it's gonna be changed easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.